Hello. So today we're going to have a voiceover because when I filmed this, I had guests in my house and I couldn't exactly talk to the camera. So today we have my Ktown4U order. I'm really excited because this came really quickly. I ordered this on July 1st and then I filmed this on July 3rd. It took 2 days for them to completely give me this order. That's amazing. So, ta-da! And I'm not gonna lie, I'm not exactly sure what I planned on saying during this voiceover while I was filming this, so I'm just gonna see how it goes. So, Ktown4U always provides lots of bubble wrap, and that's something I really appreciate. So as you can see, I have the lovely newest comeback from WayV, Awaken the World, and 2 VIXX albums, Boys Record and Rock Your Body. Wow, I casually have one of the WayV albums upside down, but whatever. So first, let's start off with VIXX. And wow, like magic, they're open. So the member-specific item for this was a CD plate, and I got N. And then, of course, this album was a jewel case. So as I struggle to take out the photo book from a jewel case, because yes, we all love jewel cases. God, they're adorable. Oh, they're so baby. This is so long ago. I can't believe it took me this long to buy this album. And as I struggle to put it back into the jewel case, and then I just gave up. Okay, sounds good. And now for Boys Record, and it's a slipcover. So look for the photo card. Oh wow, the CD is actually pretty cute. It's like clear on the outer edge. And photo card, turn it around, add VIXX card. You have a photograph, and oh my god, I already bought this photo card. I was so angry. Well, anyways, this is the Leo card, if it wasn't obvious enough. I already purchased this card a while ago from a separate seller, and funny enough, during that time, I also accidentally bought a Leo card I already owned, so I guess Leo loves me, or I try too hard to buy his cards, even though I probably have a high chance of pulling him. Okay, so that's it for VIXX. And let me try one more time to put this back into the jewel case. Okay, so let's move on to WayV Awaken the World. I bought 2 of each version because I am attempting to go OT7. At the time of filming this, I haven't decided yet to go OT7, but stay tuned for another video coming soon. Okay, let's do Awaken version first. And I struggled to open this because I didn't want to rip it, but I didn't want to also dent it, but that was the only way I could get it open was by tucking my hand underneath. Okay, so let's see who this member poster is. And oh no, little bend at the corner, and it's Yang Yang. And oh my god, the CD's like popping out a little bit. What the hell is that? And onto the photo card and flip that over. In 3, 2, 1. We have Xiaojun and we have Yang Yang. And let's take a look at the photo book. Quick flip through. Oh, they're so beautiful. Oh my god, no, gotta go back to that. Yes, look at him. He's so handsome. Okay, nice. So that was Awaken version. And now on to the second copy of Awaken that we have. Once again, I had to tuck my hand underneath to get this open nicely. And the member poster is Lucas. Nice. So far, no duplicates on the posters. Oh no, it fell out. Oh no, oh no. And once again, the CD is popping out. Like, what's up with that? And here's a circle card, and okay, we can already tell by the signature, but we have Kun, and we have Kun. So hooray for no duplicates so far. And I like how I purposely filmed over here because there was more space, and I'm still lacking so much in space. And also the lighting's like kind of horrible, but whatever, I'll live. Okay, onto world version. And oh, what? Why are they right on top? Okay, flip over, even though we kind of already saw who it was. And we have 10. Oh my god, yes! 10. 10. And we already saw it, but we have Lucas and Xiaojun. And onto the photo book. Nice, the CD's not popping out. And now onto our second copy of World version. Okay, and yes, of course, the photo cards are on the top again, so I'm just going to cover it and hopefully be surprised. And we have Yang Yang! So wow, we have a Yang Yang set of Awaken and World version posters. So hopefully, and 3, 2, 1. Yes! 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 I'm trying to mimic how freaked out I was in the moment, but oh my god, I was so happy. I got 10. If I was allowed to scream, I probably would have. So that is it for today's haul. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!